At some point, we were so overwhelmed that we couldn't handle the audience that were coming in for the event. Our club was not active, and we were in the ashes, and then we rose from that ash, and we are this phoenix bird that has risen from the ash. We took 6 months, a half a year went just in this exalt to come in, this phoenix to rise, and that design to come in and make us what we are today.
Right now, we are currently the most honorable and the most active club of our university, and we have been given a lot of freedom to do what we want to do.
Gaming is no more just like we are having fun, we are serious about it, and there is a group of people who want to succeed in life.
With Score, we can give them the platform necessary to become and rise to a position where they can be equal to a professional level gamer, and they'll get that standards. With you, I really hope so, and I really think so that we can do it.
We're honored to have Score College Gaming Club as our sponsor for this year's Invicta Gaming event. They're a leading name in the gaming industry, and we're thrilled to have them on board. SCGC is an initiative by Digit and is India's first and only college gaming community program. They're building a community that offers students an inclusive and enriching opportunity to play and understand the options available in the esports industry.
Presently, we have about 23 campuses enrolled, and NIT University has been the best. The kind of engagement and the enthusiasm that we have seen from the team, right, has been really nice. And trust me, my team just keeps quoting, NIT University example to all the other campuses. That this is how you need to, organize stuff.
It's been a great journey working with you guys. We have organized a lot of tournaments with them. So Kaustav, today we'd like to hear your journey, the esports journey of NIT University, like how it really started and where it is right now and where you guys want to take it.
There were posters all around that there is a event being held with Score in the gaming club. It was being organized with Yusuf Bhaiya's help and under his team. So that was my first occurrence into the gaming club. Like, okay, this college is into gaming, and I entered the arcade, like the experience zone. The vibe was something that was like, yeah, there is an energy and you can feel it, and you're like, yeah, that is something I can do, and these are my people. And I love the way how it was going, how everyone was playing, how everyone was cheering for each other. Then next month there was I officially got into the club. We did our events. One of them was Gear Up, that was again hosted by Yusuf Bhaiya and Shaurya Bhaiya. These two people have been the anchors of this club, even if they are not today in this campus anymore, but they will always remain in this club. They're inevitable member, and they will never leave. There are something too important to the club.
We got in collaboration with Score, and these people helped us in providing the equipments and the prize money and stuff for our club.
Having Score helping us with the events, but now we don't have to, look for sponsors and, struggle with money like back in the day when we did. I'm just really proud of, seeing the club grow to this point. It's just a great feeling, honestly.
Yusuf Bhaiya and Shaurya Bhaiya, they are the reason why this club is in this position right now, because they introduced us to Score, the club to Score, the college to Score, and we are doing a lot of stuff. Me and Costa have been the campus ambassadors for around 5-6 months right now, and we have conducted a total of 5 events, if I remember correctly. And the first event which we conducted was in January. It was Gamers Marathon, and it was basically targeted for the non-gaming community of our college to get them into our gaming club, which was a huge success. We almost pulled a crowd of around 200 people. which is quite a huge amount in our college. We had to do some unusual things, like we had to do Among Us and even Ludo, online Ludo, which was actually a huge success. Because of that, a lot of people came in and they actually joined in. That is how we're going on from here, and let's see where it goes.
So Kaustav, tell me like how about the journeys, how Score is helping you guys to build an ecosystem around gaming in your campus.
When you guys like Score came to us, like we are looking for ambassadors from this campus, from NIT University. I sent this mail remembering that I have friends over here who are so good in their in the thing they are playing that it is not worth it that they are just here and they don't get a platform. So Score for me was a platform for them where they can grow and they can get a path of how they can grow in this career if they want to, and also making a community not just for the pro players but also for the casual gamers and those players who think that okay, gaming is something but they never approached it because they were scared, okay, I might not be good or it's not my thing. Gaming Marathon, as Swapnil said, was our first event. Being the college ambassador, we held it and we were like, okay, this is something we can do. And we really ourselves were shocked, like, okay, this is amazing how the response was so great. Like we were amazed at the point. I will put this. At some point, we were so overwhelmed that we couldn't handle the audience that were coming in for the event. And then we did Omnia tournament was something. It was not just like the pro players are playing. The casual players came in. They were like, okay, if we can't win, we can just play and just enjoy the sport. They had that sportsmanship, and that was when the club itself was shocked, like कि oh my god, ये क्या हो रहा है कि सब like ये लोग pros नहीं है but ये लोग enjoy करने के लिए, खुद के दोस्तों के साथ लड़ने के लिए in a virtual game, they came in, they fought against their pro friends and they were like, okay, मैंने इसको एक बार मारा, it's worth it. Yeah, that's that.
So I think gaming सभी करते हैं, but you guys with Score gave them a platform जहाँ पे वो actually आके perform कर सकते हैं and अपनी skills showcase कर सकते हैं, I mean fun कर सकते हैं, enjoy कर सकते हैं gaming को. Okay, so moving on, since then I think you have organized 5-6 events as you have mentioned. Tell me, what was the your faculty's response? Are they happy with what you guys are doing, and like what's their plan with this club?
Yeah, so the faculty's response has been pretty well, and right now we are currently the most honorable and the most active club of our university, and we have been given a lot of freedom to do what we want to do. Like currently the event which is going on in Victa, for that event we had been granted the permission to use Audi, like an entire auditorium to conduct the event. We were granted the dining halls to conduct the experience zone with you guys, which is currently going on. So yeah, we are granted a lot of stuff, and also we are granted a lot of like costly stuff, if you would say, like cinematography, video cams, and routers and everything, LAN switches. So we are granted almost everything we want from the college. So that is there. Our faculty coordinator Sanjeev sir, he is also really proud of us that we are pulling it off so well managed. Obviously there are fights between us, but we have to manage it, and in the end all's well that ends well. Obviously that's there.
Yeah, so I think after seeing your effort and the kind of successful events you guys have organized since then, your faculty is also impressed by what you guys are doing. That is why we are here again doing such a great event once again with these guys. So tell me, yesterday we saw a thing where in auditorium you guys unveiled your new logo, your jersey is also here. And tell me, from a club, virtual club, to this big club that we guys are seeing. I mean, you guys are the first ones, I think, जिन्होंने अपना खुद का merch निकाला है, logo है. I mean, it's not a club, but it's a professional, established club in the college.
Yeah, we are pretty much like one of the best clubs at the moment. I'm happy for some competitors, but okay. So the story is like we had the club's name as Gamers NU. So Gamers was an abbreviation. I will name it, and it's funny. Generic amalgamation of multiple entities in a real living simulation. The thing is, if you deep dive into the abbreviation, you will understand what it means. But slowly, while we were like doing this events, we were approaching new people like who wanted to participate in these events. We figured it out. Okay, we have grown much more from what it actually is right now. Gaming is no more just like we are having fun. We are serious about it, and there is a group of people who want to succeed in life. Not just they are like pro esports player. We have people who want to build games to manage how to create this whole event. This ecosystem. It has been so great at the moment that it has been inevitable. So now we named ourselves Exalt with our logo as a phoenix. Phoenix was a decision because our club initially was not active. It was one of those clubs who were like, a club hai. They are not working actually. वो है बस नाम पे लिखा हुआ है कहीं पे. And we were in the ashes, and then we rose from that ash, and we are this phoenix bird that has risen from the ash, and we are trying to grow more and more as we try to consume knowledge, try to consume the experience all around us, having fun at the same time, and exploring much more things, not just in a gaming arena, but also in a totality, like how to do it from like managing purpose to marketing thing, from designing. My design lead Shachet, I would like to take his name. He's the best guy I can ever meet. I have never seen a guy so talented. He makes he's the head of our video production. He's the head of our music production. You name something and he probably knows that thing. Okay. And I was like, whoa, this man is great. And I would really love to show how he made this merch where it is.
I mean, look at this. Look at this design.
This design is something. It is something I'm saying. Like, it was like, we took 6 months, a half a year went just in this Exalt to come in, this phoenix to rise, and that design to come in and make us what we are today. It represents what we are right now and what we want to be. It is what we will become.
So that was a small story behind their merch launch. I mean, these guys have a great team. I mean, kudos to Swapnil and Costa for building this such a great team. I mean, these guys have content writers, graphic designers, operations lead. I mean, what not? These guys are building it so professionally that we, as a SCGC, gave their example to other colleges. Ki boss, you need to learn something from these guys. I mean, look at these guys, how professionally these guys are doing. Now, Swapnil, we need to take this small club to the next level. So, what are your future steps you guys are thinking?
So the first future step which we are thinking is to introduce our club and tournaments which we are having inside the university to other universities around our campus and in Delhi NCR and in Jaipur. So that is the first plan which we have in mind. And also like regular streaming and stuff, because my operations lead Jagdish, I have to name him like Shachet. He's a very crucial part of the club. We call him with love Jagu. So Jagu is a very crucial part of the club, and without him we would be dead in ashes. So as the design is here and everything which is going on in our DH3 right now, the entire event, the from streaming to getting all the things inside there has all been set up by him. And he, if you want anything about recording, capturing, streaming, he's the man to go. All the streams we have yet now and all the streams we will have, it's all going to be manned by him. So for that, we'll man him as the operations lead for the future also. So we are planning our streaming, like the tournaments which we are having, like we'll try to have the tournament or something like that every 2 weeks or so. And also we'll have regular normal custom games, scrims with other universities, like we have planned with you also. And we also have a plan with you guys to have a boot camp in our university.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, spoilers. Yes, so that would be a huge and much bigger step than we are right now. It will introduce our university's gaming club to other colleges, and it's gonna introduce multiple new opportunities, not just for us but other gaming colleges and the professional, like the college people, college gamers who have the potential to become a pro level gamer. So with Score we can give them the platform necessary to become and rise to a position where they can be equal to a professional level gamer, and they'll get that standards. So basically the college level gamers don't really get that platform, because first of all the assignments and all the tasks which we are given, that is there. Regarding of that, we are so we are so passionate about gaming. These guys, they are still so good at it, and they're still doing it. So we want to give them the platform necessary, and you guys are helping us with that. So those are the future plans we have for us, and also with you, I really hope so, and I really think so that we can do it. Even if we can't, the people after us will definitely do it. I am sure of it.
So I think you guys have planned to go all out into gaming, and this will give all these college gamers a huge boost. They can showcase their skills, they can learn more about professional gaming with Score and with you guys. So I think we are going to end this session, and with this I mean the message I would like to give is कि कॉलेज में जो हमें यहाँ के पता चला है, लाइक एवरी कॉलेज हैज़ गेमर्स. आई मीन नो मैटर दे आर प्रोफेशनल, कैजुअल, दे जस्ट आर लुकिंग फॉर अ प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे दे कैन शोकेस देयर स्किल्स, एंड दीज गाइज हैव मेड इट पॉसिबल फॉर NIT यूनिवर्सिटी. सो yeah, I mean if you are in a college, if you want to open a club in your college, you can contact us, or if your college has a Score College Gaming Club, you can contact them, and we would love to explore gaming opportunities in your campus as well. Thank you guys, thank you Kaustav and Swapnil for
Thank you for having us. Thank you.
Having us, we're really glad to have you here.
Yeah, so that's it for today's session. It was really I mean great to talk with you guys. We always get connected with virtual sessions, but I think doing an event in NIT is such a great experience for us also. Thank you guys once again, and we'll catch you in the next one.